Hi students, this is AJ sir. Let's study English language topic transformation of sentences, interrogative and assertive sentences. Now to understand the transformation rules here, let's use these examples. Let's start with this assertive sentence. He was a villain to do that. That's the response I usually get when I give a lot of homework. Now, assertive sentence can be affirmative or negative. In this case, there is no negative word in the question. So when you will convert it to interrogative, there should be a negative word. And the meaning should not change. So was will become wasn't. He was a villain to do that. Wasn't he a villain to do that? The meaning is same here because this question is a rhetorical question. It doesn't expect an answer. It is asked to stress on the point. So when we say, wasn't he a villain to do that? We are trying to say that he was a villain to do that. A trick to get the answer for interrogative sentences is to this assertive sentence add a question tag. He was a villain to do that. Wasn't he? And now shift that question tag to the beginning. Wasn't he a villain to do that? So that's how you can convert a sentence into interrogative sentence. This works most of the time. Next, everyone would like to be a leader. One answer is, wouldn't everyone like to be a leader? Question mark. An alternative answer is, who wouldn't like to be a leader? The meaning is same. When we say, who wouldn't like to be a leader, you're trying to say that everyone would like to be a leader. So, as long as the meaning is same and the tense is same, the answer is accepted. Next sentence, she swims fabulously. Now here the verb is swims, but there is no helping verb out here. It's hidden rather. It's she does swim fabulously. So the does will become doesn't. Doesn't she swim fabulously? Now how to convert interrogative sentence to assertive sentence? Same logic. If there is a negative word, get rid of it, and if there is no negative word, introduce it. When can their glory fade? Their glory can never fade. So the meaning is same here. What if we happen to be late? It doesn't matter if we happen to be late. Understand the meaning behind the question. So if somebody is saying, what if we happen to be late? Well, it matters a lot if it's my class. Anyway, what if we happen to be late? What is the person trying to say? The person is trying to say that it's not a big deal if we happen to be late. So that is the assertive sentence. And notice how, since there is no negative word in the question, there is a negative word in the answer. Why waste time reading history? Assertive sentence will be, it is foolish to waste time in reading history. Hi students, if you found this video useful, press the like button. Also to enroll for my online lectures or online test series, email me or message me on Instagram. Check the description for more information.